We're going to demonstrate and show you a product from Matane. E12 optional bulbs. It is a farmyard, barnyard type fixture. And we're going to show you how to assemble and install and what it's about. Matane fixture. Check online for further detail about the product. It is a lighting fixture that you hang up on the ceiling in many different types of rooms. A small room, studio room, living room, kitchen, master room, and more, where you need light. Let's open up the package and show you how nicely they are boxed. Please be careful if the instructions are inside on the top as we open up. Go over at your leisure the pamphlet and the information provided on how to install. Protected by styrofoam is the top cover. Your light fixture in metal protected by plastic. We have a package that we're opening up. I'll show you what's protected. The cosmetic cover, hand tied. Your bell house nuts, the bar, the bracket, the hardware tied by the ground, your bolts and wire nuts. Maximum of 60 watt E12 light bulbs not included as we screw in 4. We're going to disassemble the bell house nuts and take off the bracket and place to the ceiling by our junction box. We are given supplied bolts we can exchange out or use the existing. As we place on the bracket to the hole and start to lock down, center and secure. With the cosmetic cover and short stem, about 2 inches or so, we have the load and neutral we need to snake through. Pull. A close-up shot as screwing on. Do not cross thread. We have a ground that we could wrap around and lock down, and it acts as a hanger. Lifting up, tucking the leads away, and matching up the holes to the cosmetic cover and securing down with the bell house nuts. A maximum of 4 60 watt lights as your light lights up and other lights are off. It is a round structure chandelier design. We're going to take some measurements. We have 12 inches across, 9 3/4 to 10 inches from the ceiling to the bottom, 6 inches, and measures from center to end about 4 inches. And you have your design cage-like fixture. Maximum of 60 watt light bulbs can be hung in just about any room imaginable, easy to install and assemble. Bulbs are not included. You can put different types of bulbs in there, smart bulbs, run it off of a remote control, dim it. All the options are there for you on the incandescent and LED fixture. Additional lighting to the room and accent hallways, bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, bathrooms. Please remember that this is not IP rated and easy to clean. Your fixture. It is made of metal. It is a black design with barnyard, farmyard design. I hope you enjoy your light fixture from the company of Matane. And I'll show you a nice close-up shot going around the fixture of what it looks like. Enjoy your fixture if this is right for you. And thank you for viewing.